Thymallus is a genus of freshwater fish in the salmon family Salmonidae. It is the only genus of subfamily Thymallinae. The type species is T.thymallus, the grayling. The species in the genus are generically called graylings, but without qualification. This also refers specifically to T.thymallus. Distribution. The fishes of this genus are native to the northern parts of the Palearctic and Arctic ecozones, ranging from the United Kingdom and northern Europe across Eurasia to Siberia, as well as northern North America. T.thymallus, the grayling, is widespread in Europe, and T. arcticus, the Arctic grayling, is widespread throughout Eurasia east of the Ural Mountains and in the Arctic. The other species have more localized ranges in northern Asia. Appearance. The Thymallus species are distinguished from other members of the salmon family by the larger scales, the small mouths with teeth on the maxillary bone, and most striking of all, the showy, sail-like dorsal fins. This fin is longer in males and highly colorful, with spots of red, orange, purple or green. The body is also colorful. The dorsal surface is a dark purplish to bluish-black or gray, grading to dark blue or silver gray on the flanks and gray or white on the belly. The body is further decorated with a smattering of small dark spots. These are much more numerous in juveniles. The longest of the graylings is the Arctic grayling, T. arcticus, at a maximum length of 76 centimeters and a maximum weight of 3.8 kilograms. T. thymallus, while somewhat shorter 60 centimeters, may weigh significantly more, 6.7 kilograms. The fishes of this genus may live for 18 years or more. Ecology and reproduction. These fishes require cool, well-oxygenated water, preferably with a swift current. They are found in large, sandy or gravel-bottomed rivers and lakes, but T.thymallus may occasionally be found in brackish conditions. Generally omnivorous, they feed primarily on crustaceans, insects, and zooplankton. The grayling species, typically for salmonids, spawn in rivers and do not guard the brood, although they do conceal their eggs in silt. The spawning behavior of the Arctic grayling may be typical for the Thymallus genus, as they are highly sensitive to changes in water quality. Thymallus fishes may be considered indicator species. T. arcticus has largely disappeared from the Great Lakes basin. Human use. Due to their agreeable taste and attractive form, the grayling species are valued as food and game fishes, and they are occasionally seen in public aquaria. The most economically important of these fishes, for which fisheries and aquaculture operations exist, are the grayling and the Arctic grayling. Name. The name of the genus Thymallus, first given to grayling, described in the 1758 edition of Systema Naturae by Swedish zoologist Carl Linnaeus, originates from the faint smell of the herb thyme, which emanates from the flesh. Thymallus derives from the Greek theta upsilon mu alpha lambda lambda omicron sigma thyme smell. Species. According to Fishbase, there are 14 different species in this genus. There are, however, different views on the taxonomic rank. Thymallus arcticus, Arctic grayling. Thymallus baecalensis Dybowski, 1874 Baikal black grayling. Thymallus brevopinis Vetovadov, 1931 Baikal white grayling. Thymallus brevirostris Kessler, 1879 Mongolian grayling. Thymallus burgensis Antonov, 2004. Thymallus flavomaculatus Nijin, Antonov and Amp. Weiss, 2006 yellow-spotted grayling. Thymallus grubby Dybowski, 1869 Ammer grayling. Thymallus mertensi valenciennes, 1848. Thymallus nigrescens Dorogosteski, 1923 Kosogal grayling. Thymallus palisi valenciennes, 1848 East Siberian grayling. Thymallus vetovadovi Nijin and Amp. Weiss, 2009 Upper Yenisei grayling. Thymallus, grayling, Thymallus duggerini nigin, Antonov, Safronov, and Am. Weiss, 2007. Lower Amma grayling, Thymallus yaluensis. Mori, 1928. The Catalogue of Fishes also lists the species Thymallus bacalensis Matvieyev, Samsonok, Pronin and Amp. Telpakowski, 2005, but recognizes T. yaluensis only as a subspecies. There has been an old controversy over the status of Baikal black versus white graylings Thymallus bacalensis and T. brevipinis. Modern research supports the view that they are not separate taxa but alternative ecological forms of T. bacalensis.